Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce grocery costs with Walmart, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a budget for your grocery expenses. Determine how much you can realistically spend each week. Visit the Walmart website or app to browse weekly ads and promotions. Take note of items on sale that you regularly purchase. Make a shopping list based on your budget and the current promotions. Ensure your list includes essentials and any additional items you may need. Next, check for any digital coupons available on the Walmart app. Clip coupons for items you plan to buy to maximize savings. Consider Walmart's price match policy of shopping in-store. If you find an item cheaper at a competitor, bring the ad with you. Once you've finalized your list, head to your local Walmart. Stick to your list to avoid impulse purchases. While shopping, use the Walmart app to scan items for their prices. Look for rollback items marked with yellow tags for extra savings. Do not forget to check the clearance sections for hidden deals. Once you've gathered all your items, proceed to checkout. Review your receipt to ensure all coupons and discounts were applied. Take note of any future sales or promotions that may interest you. Adjust your shopping list for your next trip based on your experience. By consistently following this guide, you can effectively reduce your grocery costs at Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.